Hey, it's Berta J. You're back in my kitchen with me today. We are gonna make some baked apples, but our baked apples are not gonna look like everybody else's baked apples. So, are you ready to get started? The first thing you're gonna do is preheat your oven to 375 degrees. Take 2 medium-sized apples. I'm using Golden Delicious. You're gonna cut them in half, and then you're gonna hull out the middle and get out that seed casing and all the end where it attaches to the branch. And what I used is a grapefruit spoon. It's serrated on the very top. It makes it very easy to hull it out. What you're gonna do is go not real close to the edge, but you're gonna make a nice well. If you don't have a grapefruit spoon, you can just use a regular small dinner spoon. And then save all the apple that you're hulling out. And you're gonna take out the apple minus the seeds, the seed casings, and you're gonna chop it up because you're gonna use that to fill the apples again. You're gonna add in 2 tablespoons of chopped nuts. I'm using walnuts and pecans. You're gonna use 2 tablespoons of raisin. I cut the raisins into smaller pieces because raisins can either be, when you get them, be very small or they're very big. And now you're putting in 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon and 10 scrapes of nutmeg. Now it's about a pinch if you have that spoon, but if you don't, use a little less than 1/8 teaspoon. I'm mixing this right on a chopping board. You could put it in a bowl if you want to. I cut up the apples on a clear cutting board. That's why you can't see it. Okay, now you're gonna add 1 tablespoon of maple syrup or your favorite sweetener and a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla and mix that in too as well. So now it's gonna be mapley and vanilla-like. You're gonna put in 1 cup of water into a baking dish. This is a casserole dish. If you've got a small baking pan, you could use that. Okay, now you're gonna fill the apples with that mixture that you made with the apples, the nuts, the spices, the vanilla. All that is gonna go in and push it down in there really, really nicely. So now you're gonna put them in the casserole dish and you're gonna put the lid on. Put your casserole dish or your baking dish into your preheated oven and you're going to let it bake for 25 minutes. When you take it out, if the apple isn't soft enough, you can always bake it again. Well, the apples are all done. They've come out of the oven and I've let them set for a few minutes and I'm going to show you what they look like. There they are. And I'm going to take one out, put it on this plate so we can see it. And there you have it, a baked apple, Berta J style. And it's so hot. It's so hot. But I know I gotta try it. And I hope this doesn't burn me. Oh, hot. It's hot, but it's very delicious. So I know you will love this. Please give it a try. It's really simple. We've gone through the steps. So now it's your turn. Bake yourself some apples. And so until next time, I'm going to say don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to click on that notification bell. And we'll see you next time. And until then, bye for now.